Hello everyone, Lincoln here with some help for you for those that are trying to connect to a Zoom meeting using your iPad. So if you're on an iOS device and you've downloaded the Zoom app, as you'll see here in the desktop, it's a little blue background with a camera on it. This will a short video to show you just how do I connect into a Zoom meeting that I know about. And simply just going to click on the icon to start the app, just like you would any other app on your device. And I'm going to click on Join a Meeting. And this assumes that you've previously been assigned a meeting ID. So your host must have given you that before. I'm going to use this ID just for test purposes so you get an idea what it looks like when I join a meeting. So that's there. The other important thing to know is that your screen name, very important. Makes it much easier for the presenter to identify you while you're on the call with them. So you make sure to change that, that it doesn't show your device name and actually shows maybe your first name or something simple that makes it easier for the host to recognize you. And then you're going to simply click on that join, the big blue join button, and you may see something like this. It says waiting for the host to start this meeting. Perfectly normal. That just means you're in the waiting room and maybe you're a little bit early. The meeting hasn't started yet. And so you're just waiting for the host to start it up. And once they do, you'll be able to start to join that particular meeting. So I've just started it up on another device here. Give it a couple of seconds and we should be there. And then here you go. So the host has started the meeting and it says, wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. And it's first time you may come in, you might see something like this. It wants to access your microphone. You want to allow it because, yeah, it's a meeting and you want to be able to participate, right? So you want to be able to speak. And you also would like to get maybe some Zoom notifications to give you some alerts about the meeting when it starts. If you're part of the same organization as the host, please sign in to join the meeting. So if in this particular instance, most likely you're not a part of that organization. And then it says, all right, wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. The meeting host gets an alert that you are now configured and ready to be admitted. They'll see your name and shows, okay, you're being alert. Here you'll see something to hear others. Please join audio. You want to use the top function that says call using internet audio. That's going to
That's going to
use
use
the audio
the
from
audio
your
from your
device.
device.